In this video, I'm going to show you how to open Google Drive in a new tab quickly and easily using Google Chrome. This is a simple shortcut that can save you time whenever you want to access your files without closing your current page. If this tutorial helps, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tips and easy how-to videos. Alright, let's jump right in. First, make sure you're using Google Chrome or any browser that supports keyboard shortcuts. On your keyboard, press Ctrl and T at the same time to open a brand new tab. You should see a fresh tab appear right away at the top of your browser. Now click inside the address bar or use your keyboard to focus it and type drive.google.com. Make sure you spell it correctly so the browser takes you to the official Google Drive website. Once you've typed the address, press enter on your keyboard. In just a moment, Google Drive will load in that new tab and you'll be able to access your files, folders, and recent documents without interrupting anything else you are working on. If you're already signed in to your Google account, your Drive may open immediately. If not, just sign in and you'll be taken straight to your cloud storage. This is especially useful if you're multitasking, working on school projects, or switching between emails, documents, and files throughout the day. And that's really all there is to it. Press Ctrl plus T, type drive.google.com, hit enter, and Google Drive opens in a new tab in seconds. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a quick tutorial like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.